Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Want to Step. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through how to delete your Genshin Impact account. Watch the video till the end without skipping and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. Start by clicking open a web browser, go to the URL and then type in genshin.mihoyo.com and press the enter on your keyboard. As you can see that I'm already logged into my account. If I go to my email at the upper right and click on my account, you can see that there's no option in order to delete your account whatsoever. So the only way in order to delete your Genshin Impact account is to go and open up your email. Soon after you open up an email that is associated with your account, go and compose a new mail by clicking on the plus button at the upper left. Now, into the to text field, you can go ahead and type in genshin-cm@mihoyo.com, or you can also use next email address right here. You can use any one of them. Now once you do that, go ahead and type in the subject for your account deletion. Let me type in delete my account in the subject and move on to the body of the email and type in the region you are trying to delete your account. You can go ahead and type in any region that matches yours. In my case, I'm going to type this region right here. You can also go ahead and type in the same region that I wrote or type in your own. It really doesn't matter. After you're done typing in your region, go ahead and click on send. Once you send your message, within a day or two, you'll be able to delete your Genshin Impact account. All you need to do now is wait for the email to be received from the Genshin Impact official website. That is the only way you can delete your Genshin Impact account. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did in any way, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Feel free to comment down in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till then.